Allison Bailey, Vought News. A-Train has been on a crazy run, sweeping through all music award shows, breaking all streaming records with Spotify. He's been named the Spotify Artist of the Year.
Taste, go, guzzle, slurp, taste, go, guzzle, slurp, turbo, rush, turbo, rush, turbo, rush, turbo, rush. Taste, go, guzzle, slurp, taste, go, guzzle, slurp, turbo, rush, turbo, rush, turbo, rush, turbo, rush.
Charlotte, where's my shake?
Charlotte, you know I like cookies and cream in my shake. PAs ain't good for nothing. You know what's in my ride. It should have been here.
Everything okay?
It's hard to get good help these days.
Okay. Evidently. Are we good to go? And 3, 2. Hi, welcome back to Ice Cream with Ugo, and we welcome back the amazing A-Train. Thank you. It's been a while since it's been back in our studio, and you're on top of the world now. How does it feel to be right on top of the world after a change in your direction?
On top of the world. It feels good. It feels great. You know what? I'm right where I'm supposed to be. You know, I had the capability all the time. I just need to get out of my own way and go solo.
Yes, absolutely. But I mean, was it not upon the misfortune of others?
What are you talking about?
Well, I mean, some would argue that you ran out of your own way, but into other people's way.
The thing about controversy is it sells, which is why I am selling my new line of glasses covered in blood. And you know what? The blood ain't real though, so don't cancel me.
Right. I mean, the controversy of others. Do you think Robin's family would agree with you there?
Robin's and look, their families have been compensated appropriately and they've signed NDA, so we're not talking about this.
Okay. Let's move on to something more positive. How about your brother? Your brother has been there all the way through your career. When you pivoted in your career, was he with you there too? Are you still close, Mr. A-Train?
Excuse me. Charlotte, did you approve these questions? What the hell is going on? You know what? I'm so tired of your mistakes. You fired. Go home and do not pass go. Shit.
Allison Bailey here with Vought News. Recapping what we know now, A-Train, formerly of the Seven, stormed out of an interview with Ugo after a question about his brother was asked. We haven't seen him in months. Where's the soup now? Is fame become too much for him?
Damn! You have all that corporate superhero money, you couldn't afford a cleaner? Or a vacuum at the very least?
Why are you here?
You do know they have like those self-cleaning robot vacuums, right?
You came here to talk about vacuums?
Oh my God. What? Bro, you look like shit. I mean, I know what it feels like to hit rock bottom. I've been there.
You don't know what I'm going through.
The fuck? Not exactly, but I can feel your pain.
What am I supposed to do?
You know, as black men, we are told to be tough, to man up, and then end up suffering in silence. But you can choose another way.
I'm the A train. I'm strong. I'm tough. I'm a soup.
Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Soup or not.
Turn me up. Fee, 5, 4, fum. What beanstalk you fall from? Jeez.
Come in, A-Train.
Oh, word. I'm getting punked. I swear I'm getting punked. They just looking at me. Look, both? They just looking at me.
Do you have any intentions of speaking to me?
What if I do? You'll fix me? Spoiler alert, I'm not broken. I'm a soup. Soups don't make mistakes. It's part of the gig. Kids look up to us. We're superheroes. I have to be perfect.
Were you perfect when you ran into Robin?
What kind of motherfucking question is that? I'm out. Put your damn toes away. Nathan, therapy is bullshit. It's not helping me. I just want a relationship with my brother.
It's not bullshit. It's helped me. One way or the other, you have to talk to someone. Talk to all of your bullshit.
I'm trying.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Until you do, there's the door.
Are we speaking today or nah?
I have things to say, but I don't know exactly how to say them.
Seeing as you're struggling, let's do a writing exercise. Let's write about feelings.
Feelings? Sounds fucking corny. Write my feelings. I got no feelings. Feelings. I got no feelings. I miss my Popclaw. I miss my Popclaw. Popclaw, I missed you. Man, ain't nobody got no feelings.
To my Popclaw, I miss you. You were so official. Every time I hear your voice, I gotta grab a tissue. You only wanted to go public, but I had issues. The way I hurt you, cut sharp like a Gitsu. We've been through thunderstorms and faced the bad weather. The way we flock together, two birds of a feather, like two peas in a pod. We were thick as thieves. The only thing for me to do now is cry and grieve. I miss them long nights and them long walks. Sometimes I just think about it and then I zone off. Damn, where my Popclaw at? Is there any way that we can bring my Popclaw back? Yeah, where my Popclaw at? Is there any way that we can bring my Popclaw back? Memories of my P. She was my queen to be. We were meant to be. I'm my worst enemy.
Where do you think your problem started?
Being in a 7, you're asked to do horrible things. And taking Compound V, bad things happened when I took V.
Like Blue Hawk?
I never. How did you? Do you mind if I lay down?
Tell me about Blue Hawk.
I was trying to do something positive, something good for the community. And Blue Hawk was just validating, over-policing the black community. It was a nightmare. Everything just happened so quickly. He hurt all these people. He paralyzed my brother. He wasn't gonna face any consequences.
What about your consequences? You want some tea?
Tea? Chamomile sounds nice. Shit, bro. I need to call Charlotte. I treated her like shit, and she was dealing with some dark issues.
Your call has been forwarded.
Straight to voicemail. I got a text. I gotta go.
Go where?
To right or wrong. To help someone.
I just crush it.
I'm so sick and tired of being sick and tired, feeling like I don't wanna live no more.
Stop right there. If you come any closer, I'll jump.
I won't come any further. I just want to talk.
I can't go back.
Back where?
Back home. As a failure, I can't stop making mistake after mistake.
Come on. It can't be that bad.
You don't get it. You weren't the only one who disappeared after your interview with Ugo. Me? I got fired. for my dream job, working for one of the seven, one of the hottest music acts in town. They blamed me. I couldn't come back from a mistake like that. Now after failing in the big city, I have to go back home.
Resetting your life back home? That could be good, right?
I'm supposed to be the golden child. I'm the oldest of 7 siblings. They all look up to me. How am I supposed to face them now? I'm a failure.
Believe it or not, I understand.
How could you understand? One of the most successful people in the world.
Yeah, you're right. But I've made a mistake. Some publicly. One of those mistakes is how I treated you. You didn't deserve that. But yeah, I'm hella fat, and I'm a suit. But I do get things wrong, occasionally. We all do. I'm ready to step back into the spotlight, and I want you to come work for me again. Not as my PA this time, but as my manager. I'm gonna support you and treat you the way that you deserve to be treated. This can be our new beginning.
I'm so sick and tired of being sick and tired, feeling like I don't want it.
Hello, welcome back to Ice Cream with Ugo. Once again, we have the illustrious A-Train. Welcome back, A-Train. How have things been since the last time we saw you?
I was in a dark place. And by that I mean I would do anything and everything to stay on top. When I was in the 7 and to be the best artist I could be. And eventually I looked in the mirror, I didn't like what I saw. I hated myself. I needed to make a change. And my brother suggested that I seek help. Eventually, I got help, and I'm here to say I'm stronger because of it. I'm in a better place mentally, and I'm here today to be an advocate for better mental health. Can I get real with you?
Please, by all means.
I want to talk to the Black community, especially Black men. It's time that we end this stigma. It's okay not to be okay. Everyone say we gotta be strong. You can't ask for help. You're weak. No, you're strong if you ask for help. I'm here running a campaign to end the stigma. And I get it. No one wants to be the crazy nigga in your community. We all know that person, but that's not what this is about. We gotta stop suffering in silence.
Allison Bailey here with VNN. A-Train has resurfaced. He's rebranded his image on a message on mental health awareness. A-Train appears to be focused on helping people, but he's not done making music, as he's released a new music video titled Superhero, featuring ToneTheGoat and Edgar Dickey. Will this top the Spotify charts?
A hero. Someone who, in the face of danger, fights through adversity using courage and strength. You don't need superpowers to be a hero. And having superpowers don't make you a hero.
I can be a superhero and come save the day. If you need my help, then I'll come and save the day. I can be a superhero, we can fly away. I can be a superhero and come save the day.
Yeah, I could be your superhero and come save the day. I could be your superhero. You ever felt so heroic your bones won't even break? Ever felt like you knew everything before the fate? Before the wait, I knew everything that I was supposed to say. Once that pain sunk in, I'm no longer a vertebrae. I seen my mama close her eyes, but no one would answer me why. Gucci still ain't apologized, but we still keeping them fly. I do 99 99% of the work, they still won't split the pie. I'm talking 15 latest, niggas still ain't rich as I. You see integrity in worlds when you look in my eyes. You talking awards, I got several, nigga been beat the odds. It's time they free my Uncle Chris. He a real life hero, like he belong in the 7. He a real life hero. Put your hands on a woman, you a real life zero. You might just come up missing. Talking real life Nemo, you a real life hero. If you defeated chemo, why me come and say today and I don't need no C notes.
I can be a superhero and come save the day. If you need my help, then I'll come and save the day. I can be a superhero, we can fly away. I can be a superhero and come save the day. Save the day, save the day.
Here comes the A train. This is not history, this is his story. Not Homelander, but the train be soaring. Main protagonist energy, give me all the glory. The hero of the story, it's my allegory. First name A, last name Train. Villains become roadkill, stay in your lane. Throw your cap in the air if you in need of a hero.
Shout out to Ruby Bridges, a real life hero. Life in the 7
was never gonna be easy. The fastest man alive, no villain can defeat me.
Born to be a hero, watch me save the day. I ain't MJ, I'll never fade away.
I can be a superhero and come save the day. If you need my help, then I'll come and save the day. I can be a superhero, we can fly away. I can be a superhero and come save the day. Save the day, save the day.